Everyone, this is Dr. Eti. Now today we are going to explain and evaluate this integral dx by 4 plus 5 sin x. Okay, first of all, here write the given integral dx by 4 plus 5 sin x. Okay, this is the given integral. In this type of integral, solving the solution means using substitution method. First of all, here let tan x by 2 equals to t. Substitute tan x by 2 equals to t. Then automatically here 3 standard substitutions is there. That is dx equals to 2 dt by 1 plus t square, and next that sin x equals to 2t by 1 plus t square, and cos x equals to 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Substitute in this given integral these integrals, these substitutions. So here now integral of here what is dx? Dx means right 2 dt by 1 plus t square, and divided by 4 plus 5 into sin x means right 2t by 1 plus t square. Okay, next that integral of 2 dt by 1 plus t square. In this denominator, here in this fraction there is no 1 plus t square, here only 1 plus t square is there. Here taking the LCM 1 plus t square. So here there is no 1 plus t square, multiplicated 4 by 1 plus t square, that is 4 plus 4t square. Here 4 plus 4t square, and 5 2s are 10t. 5 2s are 10t. Next here 1 plus t square and 1 plus t square gets cancels. Next here we'll get it integral of 2 dt by 4 plus 4t square, 4 plus 4t square plus 10t. Here right 4 plus 4t square plus 10t. Okay, next in this integral denominator taking by common here 4 into, that is here in this place 1 plus t square. Here there is no 4, so write the divided by 4 into t. Next we'll get to write 2 dt by 4 into here write t square plus in this 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 10, cancellation here, that is write 5 by 2 t here plus 1, right. Next that 2 by 4 means 2 1s are 2 2s are 4. Here write 1 by 2 in this before the integral. Next dt by, next here 5 by 2 t, right 2 into 5 by 4 into t, our convenient to write t square plus 2 into 5 by 4 into t plus 1. Next write here 1 by 2 into integral of dt by t square plus 2 into 5 by 4, 2 into 5 by 4, 5 by 4 t. Next in this adding 5 by 4 plus 5 by 4 whole square, and minus 5 by 4 whole square plus 1. Why? Because here applying the a plus b whole square formula. So here t square plus 2ab plus b square in this formula. Here only applying a plus b whole square formula. Here a means t, b means 5 by 4. That is t plus 5 by 4 whole square in this place. Here write integral of 1 by 2 into integral of dt by t plus 5 by 4 whole square. Next that remaining here minus 5 by 4 whole square plus 1 is there. That is 25 by minus 25 by 16 plus 1 minus 25 by 16 plus 1. Okay, next write that implies 1 by 2 into integral of dt by t plus 5 by 4 whole square minus 25 plus 16 by 16. Minus 25 plus 16 means subtracting minus 25 plus 16. In this 25 minus 16 means 9 by 16. This will get it 9 by 16. 9 by 16. Okay, next write 1 by 2 integral of dt by t plus 5 by 4 whole square 3 by 4 whole square, that is 9 by 16. Here possible to write 3 by 4 whole square. We know that the formula integral of 1 by x square minus a square dx equals to 1 by 2a log of modulus of x minus a by x plus a plus c. In this formula here applying this denominator 1 by x square minus a square. Here x means t plus 5 by 4 and a means 3 by 4. So applying this formula 1 by 2 into 1 by 2a. Here a means 3 by 4 log of modulus of x minus a. X minus a. X minus t plus 5 by 4. That is t plus 5 by 4. Here x means x minus a. Here write. See like this. X square minus a square. So x square, here x means t plus 5 by 4. First of all, what is the x here? X means t plus 5 by 4 and a means 3 by 4. So here applying this formula 1 by 2a log of x minus a by x plus a. So 1 by 2 into 3 by 4 log of x means t plus 5 by 4 minus 3 by 4 by t plus 5 by 4 plus 3 by 4, right? Here 1 by 2a. 1 by 2, already 1 by 2 is there. 1 by 2a means 2 into 3 by 4 log of x minus a, that is t plus 5 by 4 minus 3 by 4. T plus 5 by 4 minus 3 by 4 by x minus a by x plus a. T plus 5 by 4 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4. Okay, here in this term x square minus a square formula applying here. Next that simplification will get it 1 by 2. Here 2 2s are 4. 3 by 2. After transposing numerator 2 by 3, that is 1 by 2 into 2 by 3 log of modulus of here taking the LCM 5 minus 3 2 by 4, that is t plus 2 by 4 divided by here 5 plus 3 8 by 4. I mean in these two fractions LCM denominator is 4, so LCM will take here 4. 5 plus 3 8, 8 by 4, t plus 8 by 4 plus c, here also plus c. Okay, next we'll get to write 2 gets cancels. 1 by 3 log of modulus of t plus 2 by 4, that is 2 1s are 2 2s are cancellation here, t plus 1 by 2 by here t plus 8 by 4, that is 4 2s are cancellation here, t plus 2 plus c. Okay, next write 1 by 2 log of modulus of here in this numerator taking the LCM means 2t plus 1 by 2. Denominator 2 means right in this denominator. Okay, this will get to write 2t plus 1. Here first of all write 2t plus 1 by 2 whole divided by t plus 2 plus c. Okay, next write that implies 1 by 2 log of modulus of, here write in this 2 multiplicating in this denominator 2 into t plus 2. Here right, next step we'll get to write 2t plus 1 whole divided by, here write 2t plus 1 whole divided by 2 into t plus 2 plus c, t plus 2 plus c. Okay, our substitution in this solution, first of all t means here t means tan x by 2. So here substitute finally in this t, here substitute tan x by 2, that is 1 by 2 log of modulus of 2 tan x by 2, 2 tan x by 2 plus 1 whole divided by here 2 into tan x by 2 plus tan x by 2 plus 2 plus 2 tan x by 2, 2 into tan x by 2, 2 into tan x by 2 plus 1 whole divided by 2 into tan x by 2 plus 2. Next write here plus c, constant plus c. This is the final solution of the given evaluate integral of dx by 4 plus 5 sin x. In this type of integrals, all are solving the solution means in the standard substitutions using here. Okay, thank you.